Good morning, students. For the session in complex integration, we will go for some more example related to the higher derivative of the function integral c sine to the power of 6z divided by z minus pi by 6 whole to the power of q into dz, where c is modulus of z is equal to 1. For this solving, first we should compare the given example whether it is in the form of a derivative terms or not. Let us see the integral c sine to the power of 6z divided by z minus pi by 6 whole to the power of q into dz is equal to integral c f of z divided by z minus z naught to the power of n into dz. Now here we after comparing we will get it is f of z is equal to sine to the power of 6z, and which is analytic in the complex or within the c and with the radius r is equal to 1, and z naught is equal to pi by 6. For pi by 6 we know that it is less than 1, so that means the point is also in the c. So for that the integral c f of z divided by z minus z naught whole to the power of cube into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial of f double dash of z naught. Here 2 factorial is 2 and it is cancelling, the value is pi by 6 pi by I into f double dash of pi by 6. So for f of z is equal to sine to the power of 6z is equal to f dash of z, that is by power differentiation it is 6 sine to the power of 5z into cos z, and after derivative taking the another derivative, that is the second derivative of f of z, that is equal to 6 is a constant, and here the term is a into b, that is u into v. The first function into differentiation of the second minus plus second function into derivative of the first function. Using that we will get it is 6 into bracket minus of sine pi by 6 whole to the power of 6 plus 5 into sine of pi by 6 whole to the power of 4 into cos pi by 6 whole to square, because we know that z is equal to pi by 6. So after taking the values of the angle of sine as well as the cos, we will get it is 6 into bracket 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6 plus 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 into root 3 divided by 2 whole square. For substitution or simplification we will get it is 21 divided by 16. So for the integral c f of z divided by z minus z naught whole to the power of cube into dz is equal to 21 pi I divided by 16 is the valued answer.